This cocktail is called Buck Jones. Go ahead and start off by putting your ice in your glass, and then we're going to add 1.5 ounces of light rum. This is Bacardi, but any light rum will do. 1.5 ounces. Now we're going to add an ounce of sherry, sweet sherry. Ounce of sweet sherry. Fill up with ginger ale. That is good. And then we're going to do the juice of a half of a lime. I'm just going to use 2 lime wedges. Oh, no, 3. Ha, I lied. So normally, take a lime, cut it in half, use the juice of half of one. That's what the juice of a half of a lime means, just in case you didn't know, in case you weren't aware, in case you've been living in the dark ages. Go ahead and shake it up. Get your cocktail glass out. And this is what your Buck Jones is going to look like. It's very refreshing, very citrusy cocktail. Good for Sunday afternoon after church by the pool. Don't have too many. Cheers.